see Demarco putting up, say he wants to do the clash at a good price. Any comments on that?
But Demarco cannot demand a price because he don't have that kind of clout to really go out there and ram Jam World.
So Kartel is in jail now, innocent, because Lizard don't dead. Because member said, me myself.
Believe.
What? No man.
Lizard not dead.
No, Lizard not dead, family. No, Lizard for dead.
Oh, yo, wagwan people, welcome back to Jambisco Dan TV. You don't know about Jambisco Dan. There with another bad update, another mad update. Never a sad update. At least not this time. You don't know, gang. We have a lot to talk about today. In this episode, today we actually have Byron Messiah attacked by a tiger. Oh, God. We got Laing saying that Demarco not worth the 6 mil. He's not Movado or Bounty. What a cash our one. We also have Malie at the gun range. Exercise the trigger finger. You see me and show off his marksmanship. Really dope. We have to check that out as well. And on the countdown today, we have a bomber drop because L.A. Lewis is saying that Vybz Kartel. The reason why Vybz Kartel is in jail. And saying that Vybz Kartel is actually in there innocently. It's crazy story unfold today, gang. So we're gonna definitely jump into it and check these stories out. So if you're new to the channel, or if you've been watching and haven't subscribed yet, please consider to take this money to hit the like and subscribe button and become part of the mafia, become part of the gang, become part of the family for the latest updates. Yeah, man, kicking off the update, guys. Yeah, man, we have a video of Byron Messiah and seemingly on set shooting a music video where he seems like he was nearly attacked by a tiger. Sounds crazy, right? Let's check it out, gang.
Everyone move, please.
Yeah, we need back
You're
up.
not being shot.
Space.
Yeah, space it out.
Yeah, man, guys, that's Byron Messiah. You see me outside making moves. You see me putting in that work. And I don't know, Byron, what did you do for that tiger want to eat you, man? You know what I'm saying? What did you do to that tiger? Did you pinch that tiger when nobody was looking? I'm just messing around, gang. But yeah, man, good luck. Byron Messiah put in work for the culture. Big up, Byron. You see me? Yeah, man, also moving along on the countdown, guys, we have Isaiah Laing speaking to CVM TV. And he's making some bold statements saying that Demarco not worth the 6 mil. He's not Movado and Kartel now with coffee. Pop Jam World like you know, see like Movado and Kartel, and yo, you know, he's not in a position to make any demands. But don't listen to my word. Let's hear you're Laing I say. Let's get it.
Like the day when we have a Movado and a Kartel. Since that we have not gotten on the good clash.
No, but I see Demarco putting up, say he wants to do the clash at a good price. Any comments on that?
But Demarco cannot demand a price because he don't have that kind of clout to really go out there and ram Jam World. Kartel and Movado do it. They had it.
Yeah, man, people who see that, that's Isaiah Laing I talk about Demarco. I said Demarco don't work you 6 million. He can't pack Jam World and all these things, man, Movado and him on a Kartel. You see me, really wild. You see me, while Demarco is not Movado or Kartel, I think him worth the 6 million. He's gonna be the main attraction. That is the war that people want to see. And it's a real shame if Demarco is not gonna be a Sting. Sting won't be Sting if you don't have the main war that people want to see. You see me, I say? So yeah, man, guys, really sticky situation. We don't know. I wait upon Demarco. I don't know what Demarco is gonna respond to this, but Sting, I have the Demarco versus Fully Bad or Demarco versus Coyote, man, is gonna play. I heard that Coyote and Fully Bad gonna be clashing each other, but it's not gonna be the same as what people was expecting, you know? Yeah, man, gang. But let me know your thoughts about that in the comment section. Yeah, man. And next on the countdown, we have one of my favorite artists to listen to right now. He's doing great things in dancehall, doing it big. Yeah, man, we're talking about none of that Malie Dan. Yeah, we have a video of Malie Dan at the gun range. Exercise the trigger finger muscle. Practice the marksmanship. You know what I'm saying? I'm not lying, dog have pretty good aim, you know. If the bullet marks on the top wasn't him, he got pretty good aim. But check it out for yourself, gang.
No, push it back, yeah. Well, I did.
Bamboo head top. Look bamboo head top. Crown lift off. Yo, swing your hair already. Swing your hair. Watch it. Yo. See them around put me in that. Them around put me, man. That jam up, bro. They might walk in and say, yeah, why? Look at you. Let me see if you have no use. Look at you. Send that go down this. Send that go down this. Yeah, jam, man, I jam. Let me see what you do it like. Watch it. I drop him, I drop. You miss. Watch it. Send him. Send him come, let me see if. All this at it.
Yeah, man, that's a good look. You see me? Yeah, man, dog, the gun range exercise, the chick off him. You see me? Make the target. Yeah, lift up boy, head tap on them thing there. Malie wanna do, Malie out there outside have some fun and do him thing at the gun range. You see me? I don't know who if that was his friend or a little brother. I must say, yeah, look see you can do. Friend take it over and beat couple two. You see me? But it's a real dope look. Shout out to Malie and his whole team making good big moves, and I'm glad to see them outside enjoying life. You see me? Look like Malie's overseas and I do him thing. So shout out Malie. Yeah, man, and the last thing for the countdown we are talking about today, man, L.A. Lewis was on a show recently and he's making some pretty bold statements and accusation. I'm saying, yo, Vybz Kartel actually in a jail innocent. Cause first them lock up Vybz Kartel for weed. Then they say because of this. Then they because say that. And then after all of a sudden them planted lizard murder on him. So I must say, yo, a bag of things, people. Let's check it out. Hear what L.A. Lewis have to say.
Kartel is in jail now, innocent, because Lizard now dead. Because remember said, me myself. What? No man.
Lizard not dead?
No, Lizard not dead, family. No, Lizard for dead. Me myself did a roll with Lizard, he go and Kartel that jail. Because I say, Lizard is done a Walter Mudway. You understand that then? Remember say, Lizard a real killer. So, could you believe, say, Kartel, Vybz Kartel as a singer can kill Lizard? Remember say, when Lizard they kill one of the others, Virgin them, you know. Lizard have to run from Tivoli, you know. And then when Lizard go a Spanish show number one others, I go kill the two youth them, you know. Remember say I run him after run again, you know.
Them say funeral keep.
Nah man, if you
they must have a look like him, man.
If you nah man, Lizard not funeral can keep for Lizard, man. You understand? If you find one funeral for Lizard, I'm get $2 million Jamaican dollar. A matter of fact, I get $30,000 US dollar, which is about 5 million Jamaican dollar. Yes, I don't really know what it's money. But anyway, so what I'm telling you now, how could Kartel kill one of the baddest wanted man in Jamaica and still up on stage? And you must want Lizard friend him come shoot him down. So remember I said, Kartel get locked up through the Gaza thing was getting too big and then they invite Kartel for go to Gaza for go sing. So when Kartel for do that show there, them lock him down the week before that in the hotel. Kartel again lock up some weed. Them say weed, them say Kartel they smoke weed and them carry the crocus bag of weed. Then them say them carry the weed got forensic report. And we say, oh, they want the forensic report with weed. And then after that now, they say Kartel kill the boy, the producer boy for the house. Remember, you know? And then Miss Nana Harris Barrington appeared now. So them lock down Kartel innocently and they murder upon him with the youth upon the studio upon him house. And when they could frame him with that now, then them build the case with the Lizard gets him. Remember, you know? If you name Lizard, remember, you know? Bigger for them, they want Lizard, no, because Lizard wanted, you know? Remember, so Lizard wanted, you know? You can go Google it. Plus different from Lizard want to know. Tivoli man want Lizard cause him kill one of the president them soldier. Then Spanish old man want him kind of kill the boy them Ian and the other one over there. And then when them go down almost a Rima, him they go want some fuckery. So that's the name Lizard the kind in Swift. So in a bad man thing if them killer bees they don't say a whole heap of people speak. If them Lizard though, that shows they escape a lot.
Yeah.
So you believe that Vybz Kartel could have killed one of the baddest killer and they both said weapons.
Yeah man people, yeah man, that was LA Lewis attack up the things them man and tell about the whole situation with Vybz Kartel and why he's behind prison. Lewis, you know, and say yo dog, Kartel probably a lock up innocently, you know. You see me and say them try to plan this and them plan that and they realize they can't really. LA Lewis when I was far I say yo think say your Vybz Kartel big entertainer Vybz can kill a big bad man like Lizard. You see me and in there out there do shows and a travel around with nothing happened to him. It sounds crazy, which L.A. Lewis does have a point. You see me? When he says certain things, you know, certain things can have a point. And you know, say L.A. Lewis be having a lot of sense about two people write him off as mad. People disregard the thing. But trust me, L.A. Lewis know a lot of things that the average person don't know, and he actually have a better insight on a lot of people. And people disregard him and say mad and them thing there. Trust me, L.A. Lewis. He might have played a fool for catch wise, you know, you see me? But yeah man guys, that's it for the countdown today. Let me know what you think about it one day. How you feel about the whole situation between Byron Malie, everybody was situation with Vybz Kartel being locked up. You see me what you thought and Byron Malie almost getting eaten by the tiger. You see me what going with between Laing and Demarco. I want to think about all of that guys. Let me know in the comments in the comment section. Do you think Laing was right? You see me I must style Demarco. Let me know guys, do you think Demarco is worth the 6 mil? Let me know, let's chop it up guys, you don't know. And do you think Vybz Kartel is actually innocent? Let's talk about it in the comment section, let's chop it up. Make sure you join the Discord, we can discuss this and other topics on Discord. Plan lives together, talk to me directly, all that good stuff gang, but you don't know. Really interesting stuff, I can't wait to see what you guys have to say. I'm waiting for your replies, looking forward to talking to you guys. Don't know, boy Jambisco, back with a banger update. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.